Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. My name is Vijay and today I'm going to show you how you can install your Xampp server into your local machine. So stay tuned. Friends, you can see right now I'm using Windows 10 and here I'm going to show you how you can install Xampp server into your Windows 10 local machine. So friends, you need to open first of all your Google Chrome or which browser right now you're using. You can open any browser. So here I'm going to search Google first. So now Google is open. So here I'm going to search Xampp, and now Xampp server's website you can see here. So I'm going to download Xampp server into my local machine. So I'm going to click on this, and here this is the website apachefriends.org, and here the download page is open now, and I'm going to select this version right now, PHP 7.0.32. so I'm going to download it, and downloading is starting now. And after the download I will install this complete software into my local machine, so you can see very easily. So friend, you can see my downloading is done. Xampp server is downloaded into my system, so I am going to install it. Just I'm going to click on this arrow button and click on open. I'll just click on this OK button, and now I'm going to click on this next button, and this is the default setting. Here you can see the server details like Apache, MySQL, FTP server and other things, and here you can see database things like programming language, PHP, MyAdmin and like that. So I'm going to click on this. So here all the default settings is checked now, so I'm going to click here on next button, and this is the location, which location you want to select. Right now I'm going to select C drive and click on this next button, and I'm going to uncheck this one and going to click on next button and click on next. So right now you can see the process is going to start. So friend, you can see my installation is done now, so I'm going to allow accesses. So I'm going to select this one, and now I'm going to select over here finished button. So friend, you can see my installation is done now, so I'm going to test how it is work. So I'm simply going to type Xampp, and here you can see this Xampp control panel. So right now I'm going to open it. So it is asking me for language, so I'm going to select USA and click on this save. So friend, when you click on this Xampp control panel first time, it is asking you to start the services like Apache services, MySQL services. So I'm going to click here start button. So this is going start, and here you can see this green signal, and here I'm going to click on this start button. So MySQL, this is asking for permission, so I'm going to allow it, and now this is going to start it. Okay, so right now I'm going to test it is working or not. So I'm going to close this one, and now I'm going to open my Chrome browser. So here I'm going to type localhost, and when I type localhost, you can see here many options. You can see like PHP info. So here you can see the version of PHP very easily, and here you can see PHP MyAdmin. So you can check this is the database panel. So here you can create database and all the things. So friends, my installation part is done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about it. and subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading these types of video every day, so you can learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned.